Imagine a world where your every move could be transformed into a breathtaking three-dimensional animation. Picture realistic characters moving seamlessly in a virtual environment, responding to your gestures and expressions in real time. This is the magic that AI is bringing to the world of three-dimensional animation. We are on the cusp of a new era, where the line between reality and the digital realm is becoming increasingly blurred. This exciting fusion of technology and art is opening doors to unprecedented levels of creativity and immersion, from interactive games and lifelike simulations to personalized experiences and engaging storytelling. AI-powered three-dimensional animation is poised to revolutionize the way we interact with the digital world. The use of AI in three-dimensional animation is rapidly gaining momentum, and for good reason. Traditional animation techniques, while powerful, can be time-consuming and require significant expertise. AI offers a compelling alternative, automating complex tasks and empowering both seasoned animators and aspiring creators to bring their visions to life with greater ease and efficiency. AI algorithms can analyze vast data sets of human movement, facial expressions, and environmental dynamics, learning patterns and nuances that would be impossible for humans to process manually. This allows for the creation of incredibly realistic and responsive animations, breathing life and personality into digital characters and environments like never before. At the heart of this technological revolution lie powerful JavaScript libraries specifically designed for three-dimensional graphics and animation. These libraries provide developers with a robust set of tools and functions to create stunning three-dimensional worlds, characters, and interactive experiences directly within the web browser. No longer confined to specialized software, the power of three-dimensional animation is now accessible to anyone with a basic understanding of JavaScript. Two of the most popular and widely used JavaScript libraries for three-dimensional animation are 3.js and Babylon.js. These libraries have become indispensable tools for developers and artists alike, offering a perfect blend of power, flexibility, and ease of use. 3.js, renowned for its extensive community support and comprehensive documentation, provides a vast collection of pre-built functions and objects for creating three-dimensional scenes, materials, lighting, shadows, and animations. Its intuitive API and well-structured codebase make it an excellent choice for both beginners and experienced developers. Babylon.js, on the other hand, shines in its focus on performance and mobile optimization. Its powerful rendering engine and physics engine make it ideal for creating complex and interactive three-dimensional experiences that run smoothly across various devices. Both libraries offer a wealth of features and capabilities, empowering developers to push the boundaries of creativity in web-based three-dimensional animation. Section 5. Simplicity and power at your fingertips. One of the most remarkable aspects of these JavaScript libraries is their ability to make complex 3D animation concepts accessible to a wide range of users. With just a few lines of code, you can create a basic 3D scene, add objects, apply textures, and even animate them to move and interact within the virtual environment. The intuitive nature of these libraries, combined with the abundance of online resources and tutorials, makes it easier than ever to dive into the world of 3D animation, regardless of your prior experience. Section 6. Breathing life into animations with AI. While JavaScript libraries provide the foundation for creating stunning three-dimensional worlds, it is the integration of AI that truly unlocks the potential for dynamic and responsive animations. AI algorithms can analyze real-time data such as user input, environmental factors, and even emotional cues to create animations that adapt and react intelligently to their surroundings. This opens up a world of possibilities for creating interactive experiences, personalized content, and immersive simulations that blur the line between the digital and physical realms. Section 7. PoseNet and ML5.js - your AI animation toolkit. Among the many AI models available, PoseNet and ML5.js stand out as particularly powerful tools for enhancing three-dimensional animations. These tools are revolutionizing the way we think about animation and interactivity. PoseNet, developed by Google, excels at real-time human pose estimation. This technology is a game changer for animators and developers alike. It can accurately track the movements of a person's body, identifying key joints and limbs, and providing data that can be used to control the movements of a three-dimensional character in real time. This makes animations more lifelike and responsive. ML5.js, a beginner-friendly JavaScript library built on top of TensorFlow.js, offers a simplified interface for implementing machine learning models in the browser, including PoseNet. This makes advanced AI accessible to more people. Its intuitive syntax and pre-built functions make it easy to integrate AI-powered features into your three-dimensional animation projects. Even those new to coding can get started quickly. These tools empower developers to create truly interactive and engaging experiences where users can control three-dimensional characters with their own movements, opening up endless possibilities for interactive storytelling, gaming, and virtual reality applications. The future of animation is here, and it's powered by AI. Section 8. Building your first AI-powered three-dimensional animation. Creating an interactive AI-powered three-dimensional animation project is more attainable than you might think. With the right tools and a bit of guidance, you can bring your creative visions to life. Using 3.js, ML5.js, and PoseNet, you can build an experience where a three-dimensional character mimics your movements in real time. These libraries provide the foundation for integrating AI with 3D graphics seamlessly. First, set up your environment. This involves preparing your development workspace and ensuring you have all the necessary software installed. Begin by setting up an HTML file and including the necessary libraries, 3.js, ML5.js, and the PoseNet model. These libraries will be the backbone of your project. Next, create a three-dimensional scene. This is where your animation will take place. Utilize 3.js to create a basic three-dimensional scene with a camera, lighting, and a simple background. This sets the stage for your animation. Then, load your three-dimensional model. Choose a character that will interact with the user. Load a three-dimensional model of a character into your scene using 3.js, S loading capabilities. After that, initialize PoseNet. This is where the magic happens. Use ML5.js to initialize and load the PoseNet model. Capture pose data. This data will drive the character's movements. Utilize PoseNet to capture the user's pose data from a video stream. This allows the character to mimic the user's movements accurately. Map pose data to the three-dimensional model. This step involves linking the captured data to the character's joints. Map the captured pose data to the corresponding joints of your three-dimensional model using 3.js. Finally, animate Bring Your Character to Life. Update the three-dimensional model's pose in your animation loop, creating a real-time mirroring effect of the user's movements. This continuous loop ensures smooth and responsive animation. By following these steps, you can create a captivating experience where a three-dimensional character dances and moves along with you. This project not only showcases your technical skills, but also opens up endless creative possibilities. Section 9. The future of animation, a world of possibilities. The fusion of AI and three-dimensional animation is still in its early stages, yet the possibilities it presents are limitless. This groundbreaking combination is set to revolutionize the way we create and experience animated content. As AI algorithms become more sophisticated and accessible, we can anticipate even more realistic, responsive, and personalized animation experiences. These advancements will allow creators to push the boundaries of what is possible in digital storytelling. Imagine interactive stories where characters react to your emotions, creating a deeply immersive and engaging experience. Educational simulations that adapt to your learning style, providing personalized and effective learning experiences, and virtual worlds that respond dynamically to your every action, making each interaction unique and tailored to you. The future of animation is bright, and it's a future where technology empowers us to tell stories, create art, and experience the world around us in entirely new and exciting ways. This technological evolution will open doors to creative possibilities we have yet to imagine. For those eager to explore further, a plethora of online resources, tutorials, and communities are available to guide you on your three-dimensional animation journey. Websites like Creative Coding, The Nature of Code, and Mozilla Developer Network offer a wealth of information on 3.js, Babylon.js, AI integration, and more. These platforms provide invaluable tools and knowledge for both beginners and seasoned professionals. Embrace the power of AI, unleash your creativity, and join the movement that is shaping the future of animation. The journey ahead is filled with endless opportunities and exciting innovations.